Scene script. Ever pondered on the significance of soap making? Why are so many people turning their kitchens into mini soap factories? Well, it's because soap making is not just a craft, it's an art. It's a creative outlet that results in something practical, useful, and often quite beautiful. But how does one get started on this sudsy journey? Today we're diving into the top tips for soap making. Tip 1. Understand your ingredients. Just as a cook knows the flavor each spice brings, a soap maker should know the properties of each ingredient. Coconut oil for lather, olive oil for gentleness, palm oil for hardness. Each ingredient has a role to play. Tip 2. Safety first. Soap making involves dealing with lye, a caustic substance that demands respect. Always wear protective gear, including gloves and safety glasses, and work in a well-ventilated area. Tip 3. Stick to the recipe. Soap making is part science, part art. The science part requires accurate measurements. Too much lye, your soap will be harsh. Too little, and it won't saponify properly. Tip 4. Patience is crucial. Soap making is not a speedy process. It requires time for ingredients to meld together, for soap to cure. Rushing can lead to subpar results. Tip 5. Creativity is your ally. Once you've mastered the basics, the world is your oyster. Experiment with colors, scents, textures. Make your soap a reflection of your personality. Tip 6. Keep learning. The soap-making world is vast and ever-evolving. Stay updated with new techniques, trends, and ingredients. Now let's recap these soap-making tips. Firstly, it's essential to know your ingredients and their properties. This knowledge allows you to create a soap that meets your specific needs and preferences. Secondly, safety should always be your priority. Dealing with lye can be dangerous, so always use protective gear and work in a well-ventilated area. Thirdly, stick to the recipe. Precise measurements are key to a successful batch of soap. Fourthly, patience is not just a virtue, it's a necessity in soap making. Allow enough time for the process to ensure quality results. The fifth tip is to embrace creativity. Add your personal touch to your soap through colors, scents, and textures. And lastly, keep learning. Stay updated on soap making trends and techniques to constantly improve your craft. Soap making is a fascinating journey, a blend of science and art that results in a practical, beautiful product. With these tips, you can start your soap making adventure with confidence. Remember, every great soap maker started with a single batch, and every batch is an opportunity to learn, create, and improve. If you've relished this foray into the craft of soap making and hunger for more, remember to press that subscribe button. As part of our vibrant community, you'll unlock a wealth of wisdom, insights, and hacks. Our future uploads will delve deeper into intricate soap making, investigate the rich past of soap, and even bring you face-to-face with expert soap. Don't let these thrilling episodes slip through your fingers. Hit subscribe, and let's keep stirring the pot of soap making knowledge together. Hop on board our soap adventure and subscribe now because the soap saga continues.